Who the fuck are you?
Who the fuck are you?
I asked you first.
I asked you second.
What? Oh, that's embarrassing. Let me pick a different one. But it doesn't make sense.
Doesn't seem to matter if it makes sense.
I can't believe this is happening.
It's the music of your heart.
But it isn't emotional at all. It's just some song my family used to sing on road trips. It's about dancing or something.
Gross. Don't listen to him, just sing.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Fuck you.
¿Y esto qué es?
No.
Why should I listen to
That's
you?
the thing about friends, isn't it?
Because
The more
I'm
you
the
love them, the more it
conductor.
hurts when they go. Allow me to demonstrate.
It's okay to cry.
You're a hero. Ugly hero. Thanks.
What are you doing?
There, take us in.
Tell me why I'm falling.
There, take us in.
Finally, a worthy opponent. Our battle will be legendary.
What if you could create a car tulip? One where your parents are still together.
Bitch, shut up!
I thought I could save the world. But all I did was bring you here. Here's your dog. I'm not crying. Someone's just chopping onions in here.